When you're dead broke, the last thing you want to hear is just keep applying or invest in this $300 course. Nah. What you need is a platform that actually connects you to legit remote jobs without wasting your time or money. And that's why we're going to be looking at a website that has been helping people land remote jobs across industry. And that website is userinterviews.com. Right? So the focus is on real remote job opportunities, not clickbait, not shady MLMs, not survey scams. And the best part with this job site is you don't need to pay anything to start. The first thing is go to your browser and type userinterviews.com. Right there, you will see that tagline connecting people with remote jobs and companies that are hiring globally. Now, you can sign up with email or connect with your Google account. But if you're broke and you're trying to move fast, just use your Google so you don't waste time filling endless forms. So once that is done, you will be asked to create a profile. This is your mini resume on the platform, and your skills, your time zones, add your availability. And here's a quick professional tip for you: do not leave any of those blank. Even if you think your skill isn't, really like that fancy enough, put it down. Yes, things like customer support, writing, admin, even fast typing, all of these things count, they matter. Now, once you have done all of this, you've set your profile, you're going to filter your job type: full time, part time, freelance, or contract. This is good if you just need quick work to start making money right away. So, for example, I will type in remote customer support. You're going to look at the fresh listings. Many of them were posted within the week. And here's the thing: these jobs are real. Yes, they are very real. You're going to see company names, job descriptions, and even salary ranges in some cases. Now, click on the listings and you're going to see the full job descriptions. Now, here is something important: don't just click apply and throw in your generic resume or proposal, whatever thing that you have created from ChatGPT. Take 10 minutes to tweak your resume for each role. Yeah, that's a gold mine. This is a good tip nobody mentions. Mention the specific tools they use or they have mentioned in the job descriptions. So if it's customer support and they mention Zendesk, put it in your applications if you have used it. User interviews actually gives you the application button that leads straight to the company site, so you are not dealing with middlemen or fake recruiters. Now, after all of this is done, go back to your dashboard. This is where you win. Create alerts for roles you want. So, for example, virtual assistant, content editing, data entry. That way, you don't have to keep refreshing the site all day. This job will come directly to you, to that email you have used to sign up. Now, here's a pro tip for broke beginners. One more thing: when you're broke, time is money, of course. So here is a hack: apply to jobs that were posted within the last 24 to 48 hours. They are fresh, which means fewer people have applied and your chances goes way up. All right, so that's how you use userinterviews.com to start landing remote jobs. Even if you are dead broke, it is free and it is very legit, and it cuts through the noise of recycled job boards. Now, here's one thing I want you to do: try it out today. Don't just watch those video and move on. Sign up, create a profile, and send at least 3 applications before you sleep tonight. That action could be the start of your next income stream. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and subscribe, because I'll be breaking down more platforms, more strategies, and more ways to make money remotely. I'll see you in my next.